Champ Term Book, Series 5. Term 1, Social Studies. Chapter 2, Knowing the Earth Through Maps. You know that a globe is a true model of the Earth. But a globe has certain limitations that prevent its use for a detailed understanding of the features of the Earth. For example, we cannot have a clear depiction of water bodies and different landforms on a globe. Besides, it is also difficult to carry a globe everywhere. So, to overcome the limitations of a globe, maps were developed. Map and its advantages. A map is a drawing of the Earth's surface or a part of it. It is a two-dimensional representation of the Earth. Some advantages of a map are given below. 1. In a map, we can clearly depict natural geographical features of an area, such as continents, rivers, oceans and mountains. 2. Artificial geographical features of an area, such as roads, buildings and bridges, can be clearly shown on a map. 3. The essential details of natural and artificial features can be easily depicted on a map. 4. The position and political borders of different countries can be clearly marked on a map. 5. We can make maps to show population distribution, cities, villages, crops, minerals and industries of a particular area or a country. 6. A map can be easily folded and carried around. Different maps can be compiled into a book. The book of maps is called atlas. Types of maps. 3 main types of maps are physical maps, political maps and topographical maps. A. Physical map. A physical map shows the physical features of the land, such as rivers, oceans, mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. B. Political map. A political map shows boundaries between countries, states, districts and cities. C. Topographical map. A topographical map shows the natural and man-made features of small areas. To get desired information from a map, we should understand the language of the map. The language of the map consists of a variety of signs or symbols and colors. These are used to depict physical, man-made and other features on a map. Elements of a map. The main elements of a map are title, directions, scale, color scheme, key and signs or symbols. Title. The title of a map is given at its top. By reading the title, we know what information a particular map provides. For example, a map with the title, India, Road Network, tells us about the spread of India's road network. Directions. On a map, 8 directions can be depicted. Generally, we use 4 main directions to explain the location of a place or object. These are north, south, east and west. The other 4 directions are northwest NW, southwest SW, northeast NE, and southeast SE. There is a uniform way, followed by all countries, to indicate directions on maps. In all maps, one direction is always prominently indicated. It is the north direction. In some maps, the north direction is shown with an arrow mark and letter N. With the help of the north direction, we can easily locate other directions. Let us learn how to find directions on a map. 1. The topmost part of any map is in the north direction. 2. The bottommost part of any map is in the south direction. 3. If we stand in front of a map, then the east direction is towards our right hand. 4. The west direction is towards our left hand. Now observe the political map of India given in this chapter. Keep the political map in the standing position in front of you and find the directions of the following states of India: Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Gujarat and Bihar. Scale. The distance between Delhi and Mumbai is about 1,400 kilometers. We cannot show this actual distance on the map of India. To show large distances on maps, we choose a scale. The scale of a map is the ratio between the actual distance separating 2 places on the ground and the distance between these places on the map. Different maps can have different scales. The scale of a map can be expressed in 2 ways, by a statement or by a line. A. Expressing scale by a statement. Suppose we choose to represent a distance of 100 kilometers on the ground by a distance of 1 centimeter on a map. The statement for this scale will be 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. It can also be expressed as the following ratio: 1 centimeter, 100 kilometers. Using the scale of 1 centimeter, 100 kilometers, the distance between Delhi and Mumbai will be 14 centimeters on the map. B. Expressing scale by a line. To represent a scale by a line, the line is divided into few equal parts. The length of each part represents the assumed scale. The scale of the map is written above the line. The following figure shows the representation of scale of 1 centimeter, 100 kilometers by a line. Color scheme. Different colors are used in a map to show various features, such as water bodies, land, desert, highways, mountains, etc. The color scheme generally used in maps is described below. A. Blue for water. Blue color is used in a map to show water bodies, like oceans, seas, bays, lakes, rivers, etc. Light blue color is used to indicate shallow water level of a water body, whereas dark blue color is used to show deep water level. B. Green for plain land. Green color is used to indicate plain land. With the increase in the height of the land above the sea level, its color also changes. Yellow, light brown and brown colors are used to depict the varying height of land. A key or legend is used to explain the meaning of the colors and symbols used in a map. Signs and symbols. Various signs and symbols in a map are used to show features like highways, railway lines, cities, capital cities, international borders, vegetation and deserts. These symbols help in understanding a map.